resident cat. Glad to know you are still peaceful. You haven't gone insane. What was that? It's a landline. Lights. They're all on. Someone's here. What is with you? Get out of my house! What is up with this guy? Oh my god. I don't want to have to do this! Drop the gun and get out! I don't want to have to kill you! Get out! Oh, wait a minute. You sound familiar. Come out with your hands up! I don't think so. You come out with your hands up. You frickin' bum. It is you. It is you. Oh my god. I'm coming. The hell is he talking about? You stay in there, you hear me? Understand how important you are to me right now. Come on, I gotta see your face. If you come out of there, I'm gonna shoot you. You stay in there. Compadre! He killed him. Oh no. Oh no. You doomed us all. He's coming. Who is coming? Who else is around here to hear those gunshots? Nerf killer. No. No! No! What in the night? Pain is only temporary. You'll never get away with this. That's what you say. Goodbye. This is Alpha 1 to Hunter 2. Multiple gunshots have been sighted in the RAO. It looks like they're coming from one of the local houses in the area. Might want to check that out. There might be terrorists. Might